You're going to see pictures. He writes on mirrors, horrible things to her. Writes on lampshades, on clothing, on countertops. In Australia, when you heard Ben talk about Australia, he wrote the third day as Amber comes out after she's barricaded herself and gone through a lot, and I'll back up on that in a minute. She comes out, he's got mashed potatoes spread across the top. He's written along the wall of the staircase going down all kinds of, and instead what he does is he takes 8 to 10 tablets of ecstasy almost immediately. And the next 3 days are just a cycle of very, very, very violent activity by him. What does she do? She buys a book by a psychiatrist who's talking about couples therapy. Gets up and punches Johnny in the face. She'll tell you that's the only time she has ever laid one on him, and she said, she's almost half his size. She's almost half his size. So she said, if I pushed him, he doesn't move. He pushes me, I go flying across the room. She'll tell you that she tried everything. She tried everything. From trying to be nice, trying to get away from him. She would throw things in his way to get him from running after her. She would try to, flail back. She would use her hands and legs, and she would go and try to fight him. She'd run into her room and try to barricade and push his hands and everything out of there. She'd try all those things.